Yes.
We are students of MRS Mineral Oil Engineering. We are taking practice in foreigners. How are you doing?
I'm very well. How are you?
My name is Rania. My name is Satan. My name is Tanya. What is your name?
Method.
Where do you come from?
Slovenia.
How do you come here?
How do I came here today, or to Yogyakarta, or to Indonesia? Like here to the temple. I rode a motorbike.
Who comes here with you?
I'm alone.
Why don't you stay here?
I'm leaving tomorrow. I've been here a week.
All of this time coming here.
I learned it about from my friends.
What's your main purpose to come to Yogyakarta? Traveling, business.
Holiday.
What's your opinion about this temple?
It's lovely.
Do you plan to visit other places in
I have already. I've been to Borobudur. Have you been to Borobudur? No? Maybe you will.
What regions in Indonesia have you visited?
Just Jakarta. I know Jakarta.
Can you speak Indonesia?
No. No, it's very hard. I'm very bad with languages.
You can repeat my voice.
I'll do my best.
Saya
Saya,
suka
suka.
Indonesia. It means I love Indonesia.
I do love it.
What do you think about Indonesia?
It's amazing. It's very lovely.
Do you enjoy visiting Indonesia, mister? What did you know about Indonesia food and cuisine?
What did I know, or what did I eat?
What did you know?
I didn't know much about it, but when I ate it, I knew pretty much everything.
Have you eaten special food from Yogyakarta?
I don't know what the special food in Yogyakarta would be, but I have eaten a variety.
I recommended bakpia.
The what? The
Bakpia.
bagya? Is it good?
Yes, it's like a small tart that has filled by chocolate, green bean,
So it's
cheese.
sweet.
Yes.
I like sweet.
May I have explanation from our English practice,
Yes,
sister?
it's very good.